The visual crafting of iconic elements to build your visual language into an effective aesthetic is in the power of all illustrators and designers who pay attention to sign action. By being mindful of the crafting of the basic visual building blocks of your visual language, you are naturally centering your target audience. By considering them through any research you have on them, however basic this may be, you are beginning to strengthen how they will react on a subjective level to what you need to visually communicate. If you were to focus test designs, a focus group will say one thing, but away from the questions of a panel, actually do something else. Now, this may be a subconscious action. We are human. We cannot help being fallible. But Peirce was ahead of the curve here.